sin jam ban pentikana hagabe day but kabam kabakhoy kabasuba kat kum gajing start science ka state food testing laboratory commissionerate of food safety ka sarkar jilla hak arpolai tere ulber arja arpunriu kala penlong ya ka second technical session halor ka phang strengthening food safety ecosystem through science and awareness ha conference hall jagate ka office try kam ka badan ha pasture hills laumali Haganik sngi lawan banyashim Bynta daw ba wailat miki shilaw menteri beri kmi yakatanat health and family welfare ka sarkar jilla kumukongsan u Dr. Sampat Kumar IAS additional chief secretary ka sarkar jilla kumusumbot kongsan ka kong Rosetta Mary Kurba IAS deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills district kum ka kongsan bakerpang ka Dr. Wanda Mika Lingdo deputy commissioner ka tanat food and safety ka sarkar jilla nalor kiwe pan Hakane kasngi menteri ula play pat baru ya ka automated water analyzer and GFFID uba wailat miki shla habakran ula banjur halor ka jingdon kam jong lightly kimat bakongsan ban pen urlong ya kani ka jingtmu kata ka jingbet jingbiang ha ka jingtray ya ki laboratory ka jingdon kam bandon ya ki bre ki betebet bantray ya ka kam nalor ka jingdon kam ka jingye tray lang na borok ki liang da ka boong ba ka jella ka don ya ka lat banlong kum ka model state ha kani ka Bynta Nalor kita ula ongru bakalong kebadan kam bandon ya ki jaka sim nong muna na hakane ga jella kenang bakanam don kenu gejing pen slembat ban yo ya ka dor ka babet babiang haki marbam bat benrap ba ka sarkar jella kala yo ya ka jing menjor ban sna ya ka R&D center na ka Bynta ka state food testing laboratory haka jing lot ka basau Klur hendro poe lak Tyngka
Meghalaya has immense potential to emerge as a model in food safety governance, and initiative like this conclave are a step in the right direction. Food testing is the backbone of public health protection as it helps detect contaminant, prevent foodborne illness and ensure compliance with safety standards. In an era of increasingly complex food supply chain, timely and accurate testing safeguard consumers from hidden risks and build trust in the food system. It is also enable regulators to take evidence-based decisions and ensure that only safe and high-quality food reaches the public. Empowering consumer through awareness campaign about food safety, labeling, and hygiene fosters informed choices and create demand for safer food products. As we all know, Meghalaya, under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, we have really pushed and encouraged our entrepreneurs to come forward. But for that, we also required that we have the necessary equipment for testing. Because there is no point if we have many entrepreneurs, but they have to wait for longer period and they have to spend much to send their samples to outside state to test, then I think it's gonna affect them. So that's why today I'm so happy that we could really inaugurate the GC Fit beverage testing treatment, fatty acid and trans fat testing, which will really help especially those who are in the beverage business to test their sample. Because before we have this equipment, this machine, then it used to take a day to test this sample. But with this equipment, now we could test it in a matter of 10 minutes. So it will really help our entrepreneurs who are in this business, and also at the same time, as you have witnessed, we also have launched the automated water analyzer and GC Fit, which in turn really help the department to serve in a better way.
So we also found that like there is a 13% of those who have been tested, 13% have actually higher than the CDC levels, that is 3.5 milligrams per decibel. So again This is again, the idea is that why we are actually doing, idea is also that like what are the levels, what are the sources of this again, basically cosmetics is one source, a lot of this, the utensils are another source. We also found when they did this study, the utensils, our people use the aluminum utensils, when you actually, they can leach the lead into the food if you cook. So again, a lot of, in fact, when we purchased for social welfare, we took the testing now, whether these utensils can lead to leaching of lead. So that kind of, now we've been able to do it here. So that's what I wanted to say is that the capacity. So this is one use case, I would say, one use case that we have brought out here. Then the second thing, we also use case for water testing. MBDA, is an organization that works extensively for promotion of natural resources. As part of that, we are trying to get how our springs are doing. Again, spring water. We are actually testing the water. There also we found a certain percentage of springs are actually having fecal matter. So again, this is again a cause of concern. There again, we require a lot of awareness in the villages, especially about in fact how actually we are using a proper sanitary facilities and all. So again, these are all what I wanted to say is that all this will happen because when you start testing, they will get to know what is the problem. So this ecosystem is very important to provide a better public health in the state. I think we are in the right direction. I think a lot of efforts are happening in the state, like through this particular science-based the interventions that actually we are trying to bring in to provide overall public health and creating a greater value to the states.
More than nourishment, it represents health, livelihood, and dignity. Yet unsafe food continues to cause illness and loss. At the district level, we have witnessed how food-related issues directly impact the well-being of our people. For instance, in 2022, 53 persons were affected by food poisoning at Puryang and the Maurinkening block. The Pasteur Institute as well as this very important lab had investigated, and the report which comes is that they have detected contamination in the pork meat which was served during a gathering. Again, similar instances happened in May 2023 where 197 food poisoning cases were reported under Soyong PHC due to contamination of food which was served and also the water. Ensuring safe, hygienic and quality food is therefore essential, not for preventing illness, but also for promoting overall societal productivity and trust. In this effort, science plays a crucial role. It helps us to understand how contamination occurs, how bacteria grow, and how simple intervention can prevent illness. Institutions such as this lab provides a backbone for evidence-based decision-making. The accuracy, reliability, and timeliness of testing ensures that enforcement actions are credible and that consumer confidence is maintained. Strengthening this institution is a key to building a robust and resilient food safety ecosystem.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka batau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakambha, ka jingim bakambha, pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.